third step, bro, this is the most important step of them all. If you don't do the third step, it's gonna be hard for you to even get freeform dreads, bro. And that is
Young nigga jumped to the post. When I met Kilo, he was 13. Kid in the dirt, his favorite thing.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's Jordan 2 with a hair tutorial. Today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to get freeform dreads, you know what I'm saying, man. It's actually really simple. Some people make it harder than what it's supposed to be. Like, if you're black and you have any type of curls in your hair, bro, any type of curls in your hair, it should be possible for you to get freeforms, you know what I'm saying. But I know my hair looking a little dreaded up right now, but it's still kind of freeforming. But let's go ahead and get right into it, bro. So the first step, number one step on how to get freeforms is you need to create your sections. Now, it's a couple ways to create your sections, you feel me? Like, first way is a sponge. That'd be probably the most ideal for somebody who's just starting off, never had freeform before. If you have a sponge, it'll be easier to create your sections because you know how you sponge your hair and you see the little twist? That's basically what we're trying to get. We're trying to get those little twists, bro. The little sections, you know what I'm saying? And if you don't got a sponge, an alternative to a sponge, you get you a towel, you know what I'm saying? You get the towel, you rub your head in circle mostly with the towel. Probably do this maybe 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes afternoon, 5 minutes at night, or just do it however you really want it, to be honest. But yeah, that's really all you need. If you don't have a sponge, another way people do, people use brushes. You can use a brush to make your sections. You just do the same thing as you would do with a sponge or as you would do with a towel, bro. It's basically the same stuff. All you need to do is get your little sections of twist. All right, the second step I have for you guys is consistency. If you sponge your hair every day, twist your hair every day, you know what I'm saying, and get your sections, you have to maintain them sections over a long period of time. I say you give it like a couple months, depending on how coarse your hair is. Like mine's, you give it a couple weeks, your twister gonna stay, you know what I'm saying. My hair is very coarse, so whenever I sponge my hair, it took me like about 2 or 3 weeks just to make my hair stay in its formations, you know what I'm saying. And if you have like curlier hair or like more like light skin hair or whatever, then it's probably gonna take a little longer, so you're probably gonna need to be more consistent, try a little harder. But for niggas, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be easy. It's gonna be easy. All right, man, the third step, bro, this is the most important step of them all. If you don't do the third step, it's gonna be hard for you to even attempt to get freeform dreads, bro. And that is stay away from water at all costs. You know what I'm saying? And not even on some dirty shit, you know what I'm saying? This is the cost you have to pay to get these freeform dreads, bro. This is the cost, bro. And when I mean that, I mean when you're taking a shower, bro. Like when you're first starting off, this is more important when you're first starting off. When you're taking a shower, bro, you wanna try not to wash your hair, get your hair wet, bro. Cause you get your hair wet, it's probably gonna ruin all your progress. Now, in a certain stage, probably if your hair is already getting locked, the water might help it lock up when it dries up, if you know what I'm saying. But when you're first starting off, bro, some of you guys, y'all don't know how to do it because y'all let the water ruin your progress, and that is gonna mess you up every single time, bro. Every single time. So don't come in my comments talking about, oh, I did everything, and it's your fault. So if you're trying to go to a pool party, bro, and you just starting off, bro, you might can't get in the pool. It's not your fault, bro. You might can't get in the pool, bro. But if your hair get locked up like me, I can jump in the pool, you know what I'm saying? My shit's still gonna be, you feel me? My shit's still gonna be, you feel me? But y'all not gonna be able to jump in the pool, bro. Simple. All right, now that we got all that out the way, I'm gonna give y'all the pros and cons of having freeform dreads, bro. And you might not think it's really any pros or cons, but there actually is, bro. Starters, for the pros, your hair can grow unique. Nobody has the same freeforms. Everybody's hair is unique. My freeforms, they might look similar to other people, but they're not the same as other people. Cause I have mine twisted closer to the roots, you know what I'm saying? Some people should a fro with twists coming down. Mine is almost like dreads, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, going back to the unique stuff, everybody got dreads now, you know what I'm saying? So if you have freeforms, you're gonna be different than the people with dreads, and the girls gonna be like, Oh, he don't got dressed like everybody else. Oh, I want him. So that's a tip, bro. Like, if you're not pulling any biddies, then with the Freeforms, you're gonna pull all the biddies. Simple. All right, number 2, hair maintenance is very, very easy. All you gotta do is wake up, bro. Now, if you're a try hard, you can put a bonnet on or like put oils in your hair. Well, I wouldn't say that's try harding, but if you want to do all that, you can. I'm just saying, like, I just wake up. Most of us just wake up. You know what I'm saying? Pro 3. All right, so kind of like dreads, if you have Freeforms long enough to cover your cut, this will save you a lot of money on cuts, bro. Like, I just recently got a little chop, you know what I'm saying? But before that, don't tell nobody, but I ain't have a cut in like 5 months. But regardless of that, bro, like, they can't really tell, bro. You know what I'm saying? As long as you line up the little mustache and the beard, nobody can really tell unless they just dick riding, you know what I'm saying? Also, you got a big forehead, cover up the forehead, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, just stuff like that. You gonna have your hairs on. Your hair might be longer than your bitch. Shit. Now for the cons, bro. Number 1, you might have some dandruff. If you hoop and you play basketball or any type of sports, bro, and you're sweating and you're not washing your hair, you're probably gonna have some dandruff. Now, I recommend once your hair gets locked, you can start washing your hair. But if your hair is not locked, you're gonna have to thug it out, my boy. You're gonna have to thug it out. So to get rid of the dandruff, you just gotta wash your hair, bro. So I guess that's an easy fix, you know what I'm saying? Other con, bro, people might think you dirty, but you know what I'm saying? If you know you're not dirty, then you ain't really got no problem, but people might think you're dirty. Number 3, good luck finding a job, buddy. Like, a fast food job, you can get a fast food job, but if you're trying to like go in an actual corporation, like, you know what I'm saying, like a company, sit down for interview, get a job, I don't know if you're gonna have good success finding a job, but you can always turn that into dreads, you know what I'm saying? So I'm probably gonna get mine twisted if I ever have to, you know what I'm saying? Probably gonna go ahead and get mine twisted into dreads, because I feel like that's more professional. You will have an ugly stage, bro. Like, kind of like dreads, you can possibly have an ugly stage. It depends on how your freeform start off. Some people don't have ugly stages, but for me, I think I have one. But to save you an ugly stage is stay with a cut. If your hair is short and you're in an ugly stage, but you have to stay with a cut, bro. That's gonna help you. That's gonna help you get out of that stage, you know what I'm saying? You can't be chopped trying to talk to girls and your hair looking like fucked up. Gotta have a little chop, you know what I'm saying? But that's really it, bro. Like, that's really all it is to like getting Freeforms, bro. So yeah, comment if you have any questions, you know what I'm saying? But it's really simple. You shouldn't have any questions. Actually, don't comment at all. But yeah, it's pretty simple. So I want all y'all to show me y'all Freeform, show me y'all hair, you know what I'm saying? You know, send them my TikTok, shit. You know what I'm saying? That's really all the social media I got. Yeah. If y'all want any more hair videos or tutorials, y'all can just let me know in the comments, you feel me? I'm probably gonna be twisting my hair up soon and go to some job interviews, some like actual kind of good job interviews, not McDonald's. You know, if you feel me, not McDonald's, not Wendy's. You wanna go to like a big, you know, company, you know what I'm saying? You gotta fix your shit up. So shit, y'all go get y'all some Freeforms and go bag y'all some girls, you know what I'm saying? If you finna go to college, you know what I'm saying? Freeforms gonna help you. They gonna help you pull in college, bro. I'm not speaking for personal experience, but you know what I'm saying? It's a conversation starter too. Girls, they'll just be like, oh my God, how you get your hair like that? And then you just be like, you feel me? And I've been growing my hair for probably like, probably like a year, 2 years, or probably like a year and a half, maybe. I don't really remember, but yeah, it's a process, so don't expect to just, you feel me, be a level 99 freeform dreadhead immediately. You gonna have to give it time. Patience is key, bro. Consistency and patience is key. Not just in dreads, just in life in general. If you have patience and consistency, you can make it anywhere you want to be. You know what I'm saying? But shit, if y'all have any questions, let me know, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna wrap it up. I'm new to this YouTube shit, so if y'all have any content ideas that y'all want me to post, you know what I'm saying? Just let me know, bro. Probably gonna do some vlogs or something. I'm not really a vlogging type of nigga, but if y'all want vlogs, I can do that. Some reaction videos. Shit, but Yeah, Jordan 2 signing out, you feel me? Catch me at the next video.